Come on, Robert. Be careful. You gotta come this way. There you go. I'm not even watching with the camera. Okay, go ahead. Go follow EJ. Follow EJ.
Okay, where is he?
Over that way. Oh, well, I don't know where he is actually. But just follow right. Ooh, see? You gotta remember now, this soft dirt right here, you can't do that in it.
Oh, so I'm not going down.
No. Keep going that way. Keep taking the trail the way I was telling you. Just don't ride in that soft dirt. That's all right. You can get it back up. You can try it again. See, there go EJ. EJ going back. That's all right. You're going to get it, though. There you go. There you go. Give it some gas and keep it going. But you remember now, you gotta balance yourself like you was earlier. You was doing real good earlier. Now that I'm videotaping you, you all messing up. Come on, give it some gas and go. Now, don't put your feet up there until you get to going faster. You bringing your feet up too fast.
Come on, baby.
Keep your feet out, and then when you get going, then you put your feet in.
I can do it on the wall.
Okay.
Come on, Robert.
He said he wanted to come over here first. Yeah, I know that the concrete is better, but once we get a bike with the knobbies on it, it'll be a lot better. So he got to start over there and then come this way. Look at EJ. We got to get EJ kind of ready too. Uh-oh, oops, everybody crashing now. Let's see, we got them on video, now they crashing. Come on. Hey, come this way. Yeah, go on the course. Go on the course. Go that way. Uh-oh, I'm messing up. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Why are you following him, EJ? Go the way I told you to go. EJ, go the way I told you to go. He over there following him, now they both crashing.
Get off the hill, EJ. Ooh.
No, you did it earlier. He was doing it real good until I started videotaping him.
He is good. Look at that.
Go ahead, EJ.
Go.
Go fast, EJ.
Go fast. No, not up there, Robert. Come down from there. Robert.
Let him go back. Let him go. Let him go. He got to figure it out.
Hey, look at him. He's so look. Now he's coming down here.
Let him.
Walking.
Where
is he going?
EJ is going the right way.
Oh.
Robert needs to follow EJ.
Follow EJ, Robert.
When he get it, he already got it.
He
already got it.
Look at this mess. This boy is riding without training wheels.
Yeah.
I mean, he just jumped on the bike and went. Sarita, you got a professional rider here, and we're gonna invest in him. We're gonna invest in him.
Oh, here come EJ. EJ rolling. Come on, EJ, go fast. Oh, where is he? No, EJ, don't go over there. Come this way. And Robert's still struggling over there, but it's all right.
We're gonna invest in him. So we got a little rider. He already got it without training wheels. So I need you to get his little outfits, his boots and his outfit. Come on, guys. There you go. Come on, Robert. You can do it.
Dang. All right, EJ, keep going. Come on, Robert. You gotta just give it gas and ride. There you go. There you go. If it was just all concrete, he'd be all right. This dirt is tricky, but when he learned this dirt, it's gonna be on, girl. Yep. Oh yeah, he will. Cause see, these tires don't even grip really in the dirt. Those are really for the street. You know what, dude? We could also take him to Milestones and let him ride this at Milestones.
True.
Because it's all street.
All right, get right there, baby. Now you can ride.
On the go-kart track, we can put him on a go-kart track on this, and he'll be moving.
There you go. Go. You got it.
Yep. See? Yep. You know what? That's gonna be my next trip, is to try to get him on the go-kart track.
This is fine.
Yeah, we gotta get him on the go-kart track.
Come on, G. Come on. EJ, go on. You should have been riding faster.
You videotaped him. I'm finna go back over here with EJ. Go fast, EJ. Go fast. There you go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Almost. You gotta give it gas when you come over here, EJ. You gotta give it a lot of gas when you do it right there. So you're probably gonna have to get off and push it. All right, hey, he said forget you, I ain't getting off. Go ahead, boy. Sure. I'm gonna have to put this on YouTube because it's so long in order for me to let everybody see it. No, not today. Don't put her on it today like that. Come on. We're gonna go back over there, okay? You gotta push it. There you go. Get off and pull it or push it. Keep going. The front tire is just dug in. That's all right. Let me help you out. This is that dirt I don't like. This is that dirt that can make everybody slow down. All right, go ahead. Rocky, soft dirt. All right, we about to take a break. Everybody has been riding hard. And this young man that we coming up to with the red helmet, he's gonna be my protege by Christmas. We're gonna have him riding a dirt bike with no training wheels eventually. Okay. I thought I was about to sit down, but nope. Hey, you know what? We're gonna take the other dirt bike and let you ride that one with no training wheels. So bring that one back. Bring that one back. We just got to get a little bit of balance. Once he get that, we're going to get him out there on the real one. It's just that that bike that he's riding has no knobbies on it. So those are street tires. So it's not going to grip. But shoot, he's doing good though. There it is, see? See, once he get to the street, he's good. Because it grip on the street. So yeah, go back over there. EJ, no, go back, EJ. Go back. We're gonna try to take the training wheels off of this thing here. And we'll have another session. That's all right. Okay, here we go. We're gonna take the training wheels off of this one and see if he can ride this one.